Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show called The Case Handler. I'm changing the name. All right, because
That's the case handler.
The Case Handler Show. But I
The,
think it should just be The
the
Case Handler.
case handler show.
Yeah, no, just The Case Handler. That's it. Like,
But that's who I am.
you see
But
Seinfeld, right? Seinfeld, like, no, no,
yeah,
no, no. The show's about nothing.
right,
Nothing. All
right.
right.
Just the case handler.
What's The
Okay.
Case
But this
Handler?
show, but this
Okay.
show is about something. It's about something important.
I know. I'm just referring to Seinfeld, you know. But this show is about personal injury law. It's about people getting hurt and having the right attorney, which is the case handler. That's you.
Yes,
You.
it
So
is
the
me.
show is about you, my brother. I am just your co-pilot. You
Yeah.
know, I'm not really the pilot, man. I'm a co-pilot. I'm the one that just guide people to the right plane. You know, guide people to the right path, guide people to the right attorney that God forbid them get mashed up. They've got a good attorney that's going to represent them, go for the maximum compensation, and treat them like family. And that's you, the case handler, Adam Handler. So let's jump off the show once again, ladies and gentlemen. It's called The Case Handler, cruising with a case handler. And of course, Adam Handler happens to be the personal injury attorney. I'm just a media personality, David Squeezaniki, for God knows how long. And we're here to jump this off. So, Adam, introduce yourself, man.
Good morning, brother. Of course, my name is Adam Handler. I'm your case handler, but you're wrong, Squeeze. And when you're wrong, I got to tell you you're wrong. And when you're wrong, you're going to want to know that you're wrong.
Absolutely.
This show is not about me. This show is about a community that's embraced my law practice since September of 2005. Because without folks out there trusting and believing that I'm the best possible option for them and their family, I'm nothing, right? I'm somebody, but my professionally, I'm nothing. So this show is a reaffirmation every single day that you guys out there that have embraced me and I've embraced you back know that there's an attorney out there that's going to fight for you like family, an attorney that out there that does things very, very differently than the other attorneys. Not an ambulance chaser, not coming up to you at the scene, not coming up to the emergency room. People aren't slipping you money to go to my office or take my business card. That's just not the way I roll. I do it the right way, and over $150 million recovered for my clients over the course of my career cannot be wrong, Squeeze. It just cannot. Thousands of people have used my practice, over $150 million. And Squeeze, you don't have to take my word for it. They don't have to take your word for it. They should just Google the case handler. They'll see with their own very eyes the exceptional legal work that myself and my team provide for those individuals who never, ever, ever in a million years thought they'd get into that accident on the job, thought they'd get into that accident on the roadway, thought they get into that accident crossing the street in the crosswalk. But ladies and gentlemen, bad things happen to good people. And while you can never truly prepare for an accident, you can prepare for your response. And I sincerely hope that I am the first option to that response. My phone number is 844-774-3529, 844-774-3529. Dial it now, save it in your phone, let it ring a few times. Dial with me, 844-774-3529. Or, of course, like I just said, you could just Google the case handler. It would be connected to my practice.
Absolutely. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the show is really about you as Adam, about a community, okay? And we're here to help each and everyone to understand that, yeah, you may have options with going with other attorneys, but you don't need to. Adam has proven himself, and I love what it is that he has done. He's just noted it. Make sure you check him out on Instagram, on the internet. Just look up the Google reviews. Google reviews happens to be one of the most powerful tools you can actually use to gauge someone's product or service. Make sure you use it. Everyone is using Google. I remember, Adam, years ago when I was pushing the internet and pushing the tools on your devices and all of that. Everyone laughed at me and said, "Oh, it's just a fad. It's going to pass," and and all of that stuff. No, technology never goes back; it goes forward. So make sure you look up the case handler. Once again, the phone number is 844-774-3529. One of the things that I've really,
all right,
one of the things that have really formed and molded this show, Cruising with the Case Handler, happens to be testimonies. People who have actually, been clients of Adam Handler, and he has helped them. So we love doing that every day. I mean, Adam has this thing called not me, he does Testimonial Tuesday, but every day I think is a testimonial day, every single day. And he's got enough testimonies. He's got audio testimonies, he's got video testimonies, he's got them on the website. Ruthie has done a magnificent job. Love that lady. She has done such a great job with, of course.
She really has.
Yeah. With your entity as far as marketing is concerned and portraying your company for what it really stands and represents. So much respect to you, Ruthie. Yes, Ali, we know behind the scenes also you help out with, some of the stuff. But Ruthie, thank you so much for what you've done. So with that said, Adam, can we just jump right into some true success stories?
Yeah, absolutely. And through the power of social media and technology, as you were just saying, we could play these testimonials, and I got thousands of them. Ladies and gentlemen, lawyers are very good at telling you how good they are. You see it on the billboards, you see it on TV, newspaper, even on this radio station. We're good. Listen, it's one thing to say you're good. It's another thing to show you're great. And I can show you that I'm great because I can present to you a body of work that I've done for this community and beyond for individuals that are unpaid. These are not paid spokespeople. These are not individuals that are being compensated to do or say anything. These are people that are just truly, what's the right word? I'm trying to truly enthralled with the way we were able to handle their case. Something bad happened and we turned it into a good. We turned a negative into a positive. And this is a perfect example right here of somebody that walked away a happy customer. So check this out right now. Squeeze, I'm hoping I'm doing this right. If I'm not, stop me right away.
Oh, I will.
All right. We are live. Well, not live. We're being recorded.
Okay.
And today is settlement day. Picking up the check.
Woo!
This is what I like. See, I like enthusiasm. This is a case that's been going on for about 2 years now. Got slowed down by the pandemic, but a successful resolution. And in this envelope, are we going to tell how much? Or no? Yeah?
I just want to knock on my door.
Yeah, okay. It's a secret amount.
It's a secret amount that makes
It smells a lot like that, though.
Like what?
It smells like a lot of money.
It is a lot of money.
Okay, good. All right. Yeah. So she's picking up that check today, and she's kind enough. The unnamed person is kind enough just to say,
How pleased I am with the service that I received. Do I give credit to Pollock & Pollock?
Yeah.
Handler?
Listen, my firm is Pollock Guys at Seco.
But you did all the legwork.
I did everything.
He did everything. And I was not the easiest person to deal with. I was, my communication was, because it doesn't really matter to me. And I knew that my case was in good hands. And guess what? It was. And I never doubted them. From the moment I called, when I got that number, I was just like, you know what? And they was like, we're going to see about if we're going to take this case. They talked to him. He was just like, yeah.
How did you get the number?
My brother suggested it from the radio station.
There you go, from the radio station.
And I'm just so glad because I was just gonna let things go. He was like, no, call in. It was Adam Handler, the case handler. I'm like, whatever. So I called not knowing what to expect. And I gotta tell you, 2 years later, there's a smile on this girl's face and money.
I love it.
In my bank. Guess who's buying property?
Listen, all you need is love and a good attorney.
That's it.
All right, babe.
Case handler. He did it.
You
did it for me, he do it for you.
Thank you.
Wow.
I love that one. Settlement day is always like, the best day because, I'm handing a check over to the client and I know that I've done everything possible in my power to right the wrong. Ladies and gentlemen, in the United States, in the civil system of justice, there's one remedy available to you. And of course, regardless of your immigration status, and that's monetary compensation. Let me help fight to get you maximum compensation for your injury, maximum compensation for your medical bills, maximum compensation for your time lost from work. You got one chance to get it right. One chance, one choice, one case handler. 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. 3529. Sorry. See, I'm not very good at this multitasking here.
Anyway.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow. Oh, man.
I want to pull one more up before we go.
Before you do that, before you pull that up, just wanted to say something. Settlement Day. Adam, do you know what this coming August 1 is all about? Monday?
Your birthday?
No. It's Emancipation Day. Emancipation Day is Jamaica's Emancipation Day.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. August 1, 1834 marks a very special day for Africans, in the British colony, when they received their freedom from slavery.
But it's not just Jamaica, isn't it? All the Caribbean islands?
Pretty much, yeah. But Emancipation Day, specifically for Jamaica, though, was declared for Jamaica on that day, on the steps of King's House in Jamaica, St. Catherine, in Spanish Town. So that's the Emancipation Day from slavery, August 1, 1834. But then there's Independence Day from the Brits, which is on August 6th. So there are two massive holidays next week for Jamaica. So big deal.
Our offices closed for those holidays?
In Jamaica, yes, absolutely. Major holidays.
Got it.
Well, but yeah, so
it's a beautiful thing, brother.
It is a beautiful thing, man. So we have to actually acknowledge that. But you may proceed with another testimony as people call 844-774-3529, 844-774-3529. That is the number for the top personal injury attorney. God forbid you get hurt. 844-774-3529. Hopefully you can have your settlement day when you reach out to Adam Handler at 844-PPIDLAW. Yes, Adam.
We got one more we can do here.
I would just like.
All right, hold on 1 second.
Mm-hmm.
People are like, wait, why isn't nobody talking? Is my radio broken?
I don't know. I don't know.
Listen, today is not the day for me to be like doing this, but I'm doing my best, ladies and gentlemen. Here's another $1.6 million settlement. Check out this one.
I would just like to say thank you to Adam Handler and his wonderful team. I'm so happy that I chose him. I knew I had the best, and he represented us in a great way. We're very happy and contented, and he did well for us. And I would recommend him every day, any day.
That's an individual. We settled her case several years ago. She still texts me every birthday, every holiday, Father's Day. We keep in touch. Ladies and gentlemen, often imitated, never duplicated. There is only one case handler. We do treat our clients like family. We do get the best possible results. We are your best possible option if, God forbid, disaster strikes. Google the case handler. My results stand for themselves. 844-774-3529, 844-774-3529. One more time, 844-774-3529. Have a wonderful weekend, everybody. And thank you, Squeeze.